Welcome to the distributorship plan, which can give you freedom of sales worldwide without worry of stocks. Many types of websites are available in the market. Here you will be getting e-commerce website with distributorship plan where you can sell products and services. It is a type of website that allows you to buy or sell physical products, services and digital products. We have two types of plan for you which gives you an e-commerce website to sell products worldwide. One is Gold plan where you can sell all our jewelries. Another is Platinum plan where you can sell your products too along with our jewelries and advanced features to offer your customers. For details of the Platinum website, click on the link given in the below description. In this video, I will let you know about the Gold plan website. After confirming your distributorship, our team of developers takes 240 hours or you can say 12 to 15 working days to complete your website. Here you can sell more than 8,000 world-class designs worldwide in your brand name without any inventory cost. Now, this is how your website will look. The most asked question by our customers is, what is the best way to display the products or services at our e-commerce website? We have designed your website in such a way that you can display multiple products at your homepage only. You can reduce the bounce rate too if you have a good and descriptive homepage design. Now the question is how to highlight the products. Very simple. Add some seasonal and promotional banners. You can create different product groups for different people with different choices and link them with relevant banners. We are very fond of seeing new things. Keep changing the banners and displaying products in an interval will help to revisit the website. Your customized menu bar with category names will make your website more user-friendly and will make it easy to find your available products. Make finding products easy for your customers. Type the product you are searching for in the search bar and get search results. It's such an easy to handle application. It will save the money of the Photoshop expert and developer to change or add new banners, colors, themes and many more. We are dropshipping worldwide on behalf of you. So you can add any currency to make it more user friendly. You can set the suitable currency rate at your own. Content is the king. The richer the content is, the better the rank is in the search results. Adding more content and keywords will help the SEO to show your website in top rank in terms of search results. Now your customers can sort their products by their comfortable price range. It will make the product search much more comfortable and easy for your customers. Now you can allow your customers to see prices and to cart products before registering on your website. Zoom the picture on mouse over. Show every detailing of the product to your customers to get more confidence about your products. Add content pages or any other detail you want to in the header or footer of your website. Help your customers to get to know more about you, which will make your customers to gain more trust on you. Checkout should be easy and comfortable. This is another way to let the customers complete the purchase and not to replace your website with 1,000 others. Your customers just have to put their address and pay, and it will be instantly credited to your account. Shipping charges can be easily adjusted as per different zone of shipment. Add social links and show your social existence to your customers. With this easy to handle website, give your customers an amazing shopping experience. In the next video, I will show you how to control the website.